Alright, once you've logged in with your username and password from your onboarding email, what you're going to want to do is navigate to a Facebook group and find the Members tab, and that's where we're going to run the extension. So you can pop it open, and you can see there's two options. This time we're going to do select name and profile ID only, and we'll hit Start Processing Data, and you can see it goes in batches of 10. So we'll let that run for a little bit. And once we get to 40 or 50 members, I'll just stop it just for this example and show you what to do next. So we're at 40, we'll let this go. You can see that with 160 members, this wouldn't take too long, but we'll hit stop and download. And you can see it will go to the default place for downloads on your computer. So we can hit go home, and we'll open this just to show you what the data looks like. So this downloads as a CSV file. It will likely open in either Microsoft Excel or Numbers, potentially if you use a Mac. And this is how the data is going to look. If you have other software you use that you want to upload this to, you can go ahead and do that. If you're planning to use Genius Messenger CRM, which is one of our products, we will have some additional work to do. We can add a couple more columns for tags and labels here. So keep that in mind. All these links, if you want a VA to kind of manually go through this data, will actually turn into hyperlinks if you just hit the enter button. When you go in here, see that one's now a hyperlink I can click on. So keep that in mind as well if you're planning to do anything manual as far as outreach with this data. And we will get into the other options for phone and email in the next video, as well as how to format this spreadsheet for uploading to Genius Messenger CRM. So if you have any issues getting this download data, sometimes it's best to do a refresh on the members page. So do a quick refresh and then run the extension again. And that will usually clear out any potential issues and allow you to download the data correctly. Also, if you have any issues, there is a support button here, as well as a Facebook users group that we'll be creating, so you can jump in and ask any questions. So with that being said, let's go on to the next video.